Welcome to Redline Review. Bugatti's 2026 Tourbillon motorhome is a mobile residence and automotive wonder. This concept combines Bugatti's Tourbillon hypercar pedigree with a next-generation camper for ultimate road travel luxury, performance, and powertrain. Under its beautiful carbon fiber bodywork is an electric Tourbillon 516 hybrid power plant with over 1,800 horsepower. Of engineering is remarkable for a vehicle of size: 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, 155 miles per hour electronically regulated top speed, advanced adaptive suspension for comfort of grand touring. All-wheel drive and torque vectoring provide stability and grip in all circumstances. Traveling down the French Riviera or climbing the Alps, this RV glides gracefully and aggressively. A luxurious interior horology and haute couture inspired the interior's custom mix of art, technology, and craftsmanship. Living suite, Italian leather and crystal trim lounge seating. Ambient lighting illuminates a mechanical watch dial-inspired ceiling. The master bedroom features a floating king-size bed, a starlight canopy, and embedded soundtracks. The bathroom spa features a marble shower with programmable temperature memory, gold fittings, and aromatherapy diffusion. The chef's kitchen features high-end Gaggenau equipment, smart induction worktops, and champagne chillers. Each element reflects the Tourbillon watchmaking theme: precision, elegance, and everlasting beauty. Innovative technology. AR Windshield and Dash presents 3D navigation, surrounds, and vehicle data. Tourbillon AI Concierge coordinates routes, entertainment, weather, and booked destinations, Shirk restaurants. Level 4 autonomous driving enables hands-free highway cruising. Smart integration, Apple/Android, biometric cabin access, satellite internet, and solar energy support. Exterior design, sleek aerodynamic shape with active aero flaps. Retractable roof transforms lounge into outdoor space. Hidden hydraulic extensions provide a luxurious terrace while parked. Reimagined horseshoe grille for huge tours. Pricing and rarity. Only 10 completely customized units will be made worldwide. Price estimate, $7.8 million. Owners receive lifetime concierge service, Bugatti VIP travel privileges, and private access to Bugatti's global motorhome resorts. Pros: exceeding performance for a luxury motorhome, unique museum-worthy design, private jet-like comfort and technology, exceptional exclusivity. Cons issues: expensive for 99.9% of buyers, needs custom service infrastructure, large footprint hinders city maneuverability. Final decision: the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon motorhome is a moving sculpture, tech-filled retreat, and ultra-wealthy explorer's fantasy. Everything Bugatti stands for, excessive, crazily quick, and stunningly beautiful, is finally on the road.